Ed Durkin, Chief Financial Officer at QuEra. Sure. So as to QuEra's capitalization, as you know, in Q1 of 2025, we announced a very successful $230 million financing. Google was the largest investor. We also had other high pedigree investors come in. SoftBank Vision Fund, Valor Equity Partners, all our major inside investors participated. In addition, in Q3 of 2025, we further announced that NVIDIA had made a strategic investment in QuEra. So we are extremely well capitalized and liquid. As you know, we're also generating significant cash from customers every year through machine sales and cloud revenues. So our net burn is very modest. So we absolutely have a very, very long cash runway and the capital needed to deliver on our roadmap and vision, and even to fund our go-to-market initiative. We're in great financial shape. Yes, so our sources of revenue today are multidimensional. We obviously have, machine sales, on-prem machine sales to customers like ICE in Japan, which was a $40 million plus quantum computer sale. We also had cloud revenues through AWS Braket, which has been going on for several years. We're working with some of the largest enterprises in the world on co-develop, co-design deals. In terms of, our filters as to whether to go after these revenue sources, it's really around optimizing enterprise value. We are not chasing one-off sales that are highly custom. We're chasing a market, this massive quantum computing market. So any of those customers that can help us advance towards our North Star goal of winning this new and important and strategic market segment, that's the filter by which we evaluate these revenue opportunities. The key metrics and elements I look at are really related to the science and the tech. In a quantum computer company, in my mind, that kind of boils down to quantum error correction capabilities and improvements, obviously around the number and volume of physical and logical qubits, the ability in the neutral atom case to have continuous reloading reservoir of atoms. So we've actually made tremendous progress across all those dimensions. We have already started to scale the company, where we will almost double the company in 2025 as compared to where we were in 2024. We have aggressive growth plans for 2026 as well. So the scaling has started because of the fundamentals and the progress we've made with the tech. And we do think we have line of sight to real quantum advantage in utility scale quantum computing in the very near future. Again, we're chasing a market, not sales that would take us off our North Star mission. I think as to strategic commercialization, when you look at the users of these quantum computers today, a lot of times there are national labs or government users. I think that will continue for the next 18 to 24 months. I think those are probably the best initial target market customers, because they understand quantum is a journey, not an event, and they're well-schooled in highly technical operations. So they also have probably the most money to spend on quantum computers today. So that's how I think about our phase commercialization, kind of focus on government scientific users. We also have a lot of key partners at QuEra. Some are investors like Google and NVIDIA. Having a efficient partner ecosystem is also very helpful for the scaling and commercialization. These are not only technical partnerships, but a lot of time they will walk us into their biggest global brands and customers around the world, and that gives us advantages in terms of getting to market quickly with the right customers as well. So we've thought it through a lot. We think we have a pretty good strategy around commercialization, and we're very happy with the results so far.